Hey guys, we're doing the random now. Team draw is live, 6:58:53 p.m. Melbourne time. Person in top spot will get the Mavs on top of their team 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So Steve Hockey will get the Mavs on top. To be fair, he's probably one of the only people who actually bought a full spot, so Hockey and Dwayne and Thomas. There was 3 people who bought full spots, so oh well, it was one of them. And let me go there. Yep. So Mavs. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Random is complete. Teams go like this: Steve Hockey, Rockets and Mavs; Climbers, Nuggets; Hutchie, Nets; Grant McDonald, Cavs; Andrew Koch, Kings; Van Sanderson, Suns; Dwayne Tatai, Warriors; Michael Paul, Bulls; Dale, Hornets; Thomas Parlak, Thunder; Glenbow, Knicks; Hutchie, Pelicans; Stashman, Spurs; Steve Hockey, Bucks and Lakers; Grant McDonald, Sixers; Ryan Taylor, Jazz; Steve Harrison, Grizz; Andrew Hunt, Clippers; Dwayne Tatai, Pistons; Van Sanderson, Celtics; Steve Harrison, Wizards; Dwayne Tatai, Heat; Jason Aire, Pacers and Hawks; Wilco, Raptors; Darren Gibbs, Magic; Dane Fountain, Blazers; and Glenn McCubbin with the Wolves. And that's the team draw. That's the time.